Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're doing a video on how to replace the shackles and the bolts and the bushings on your open lawn trailer. It's a very easy process and it's very inexpensive, and it'll make your trailer much better. Okay, so what we're doing here, this trailer had a lot of knocking around and squeaking and rattling. So 19-year-old trailer, we've never done this, so it's way past due. But you can see how round that is and how round that is. You can see this thing's way long. It's not round at all. Also, there's bushings that go in here. Okay, these bushings are already got cut in half. They're shot, and then these bolts, okay, they go through there in the middle of the bushing and through there, and that's how you bolt it on. But basically, you can get a kit on Amazon. It's like $45, $46, and you can replace all the bolts, all of the bushings, and you're going to get 2 of these. You're going to get 8 of these. These are called your shackles right here, and these are called your stabilizers. Actually, these are called equalizers, not stabilizers. And you're going to get all the nuts and bolts and bushings and everything you're going to need. And we're going to show you how to do that. And it's not going to take you very long. It's going to save you a lot of money from taking it into the trailer shop. And you're going to need to take off both these tires and wheels to get in here. We got it right now. We got it on some jacks, just sitting there. And I'll show you what tools you'll need. All right, so you're going to need a 13/16 socket. We got it on this impact wrench, and it's a 1/2 inch. And you're going to need this 7/8 ratchet, ratcheting open end. And that's going to go on the back to get the nuts off. And this is going on the front to get your bolts off. And if your bolts are stuck on, you might need to beat them out. So any type of a hammer to do that. Okay, and you're going to take the old bushing out of the springs because we're going to put brand new bushings in there. Okay, so just keep on doing the same thing. Okay, taking all these bolts and nuts, bushings out until it's all disconnected. Okay, now you can see how loose this equalizer is. It should not have that much play, and it shouldn't have any play. And then these right here, you can see how that's wallered out. This is wallered out. So this whole trailer, all this stuff's going to get replaced today. Okay, so we just pulled this off here. You can see how it's already breaking through on the bottom. This is wallered out. I mean, I didn't have a failure, but obviously this thing's needed to be replaced a long time ago. This is 19 years worth of stuff, but it's not hard. It'll come off there, and we're going to get this all replaced when our new kit comes in from Amazon. Okay, at this point, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Go over there and take apart everything just like it is. All right, so our box just got here from Amazon. So you can see we got the new equalizers. We got bushings in there already. And you can see the difference. I mean, this thing was really bad. So we got those. We got all the other bushings we need. These are those plastic sleeves that slide in. Got plenty of those. Another bushing. Got these shackles. Okay. These aren't wallered out like the others. These are nice round holes. You can see a difference there. All right, then we got all of our nuts. We got some bolts and more bolts and more bolts. And so we got all of our supplies here. So now we're ready to go. Okay, now you got these bushings. One's got a flanged end and one's got a smooth end. So the flange end will go in last, and they just pop in there like that. Okay, so go ahead and put all these bushings in the springs there. See, I already popped them in there, and they're just going to slide in here. Yeah, it's going to be the same thing. One in the other end down there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit these with a little bit of lithium grease here. Aerosol lithium grease. Okay, next we're going to put the bolts in the ends of the spring like that. Okay, now we're just going to thread on these nuts by hand. We're not going to bolt them down hard with the impact wrench till we get them all on. All right, now we're going to put the equalizer on. We hit it with a little bit of lithium grease, and we're going to go ahead and install that. Okay, we just hit these with lithium grease. Now we're going to do the shackles together like this. Okay, you got a shackle on the front, shackle on the back, and then 2 nuts and 2 bolts. Okay, so I just hit the other spring with some lithium grease, and now we're going to start assembling that. All right, we're going to go ahead and put that bolt in there, and we're going to hand thread our nut on the other side. All right, now we're going to use a bolt and start putting our shackles on. Remember, we need a shackle on each side of that bolt. All right, now you can see you got shackles on the front and on the back. You got our nuts on there, finger tight, and ready to start tightening it all up. Okay, now before we tighten them up, we're going to run over and do the other side. We're not going to film that part, just identical to this part. Put them all on finger tight, and then when everything is on finger tight, both sides, we will just tighten it all up with our wrench and our impact wrench. Okay, now we're going to tighten them all down with our 7/8 open end and a 13/16 on our ratchet. All right, and by the way, we didn't put these on super tight. We want this equalizer to be able to move up and down, but they have locking nuts on them and they're pretty snug. They're just not way over tight, so there's freedom of movement in that joint. All right, after you tighten each one, go ahead and move your your equalizer. Make sure it still goes up and down so you don't have those nuts and bolts too tight. All right, now we're going to finish tightening up these other ends. Okay, now we're going to go back over to the other side and we're going to do the same thing. Okay, next we're going to put our wheels and tires back on. Always make sure that these nuts have the beveled end going on first. Okay, there's a beveled end and the other end. You want to put the beveled end in first. Okay, we're going to put these on in a cross pattern. So you're going to tighten up one side and you're going to go across to the other side. Tighten that up. That way the wheels put on with equal pressure on all nuts and bolts. And once you get them on, you can crack them down extra hard. Okay, so that took us about an hour to take everything off, another hour to put it on. So 2 hours time and under $50 for the parts. And you find them on Amazon. Pretty easy and quick process. So there you have it. If you like it, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, we're going to have a lot more trailer videos coming out and a lot more mower videos and steel operating equipment and all sorts of stuff. So hit the like button and subscribe if you like. This is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service.